Welcome to a video from ThisLifestyle.com. New Windows 11 build to look at. This is 26231 for Windows Insiders on the Canary channel. Canary channel is where all the new stuff is at the moment, with the dev channel being prepared for 24H2. So there's a few changes which I wanted to show you in this video. Well, one I can't show you because I'm recording and can't use voice dictation software, but the narrator users can now use voice to access and dictate hands-free. So you can turn on narration through voice and things like that. So that's really good if you need that. And also they've made it so that if narrator crashes, it can auto restart as well. So that is going to make it much better if you're using it and it crashes. At least you can then you can then it automatically restarts. So I've gone to right click on a document there, share, and then you see I've got the new copy button on there. So that's one of the new changes that does that, and then it's copied to the clipboard. One other thing I wanted to quickly show you was the rename PC setting has got a new look to it. So that's the new look on there. Right, the rest of the changes are just fixes. They've fixed some issues with the performance. They fixed some issues with labels and context labels in File Explorer. So you may have seen as I was right clicking, things are a bit clearer on there. They fixed some issues with removing hardware. They fixed some issues with Task Manager. Reliability of Task Manager, and reading of Task Manager actually. So quite a few fixes for Task Manager. They're still investigating issues if you're upgrading from 23620 or 26040. You'll need an ISO if you're going to do that. But the main things on that one: new share, new rename. Thanks for watching this video. I'll show you more features in Windows as Microsoft bring them out.